Hello and welcome. So Michael here, and in this video I'm going to guide you through a simple Taoist yoga sequence that'll help you get to sleep and also make your sleep more restful, more rejuvenating and more peaceful. So the way to practice this is ideally, you've done all your things, you've gone on the toilet, you've brushed your teeth, and now you're sitting on the end of your bed or in your bed. And you just go through this simple process and it will help prepare you for sleep. Okay, so let's dive in. So the main focus we're doing here is actually just to bring the chi out of the head and bring it down into the feet. Okay, so the first thing to do is just shrugging the shoulders a few times. So up, and then exhale, relax, and then inhale. Exhale, inhale, exhale, 3 to 6 times, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and one more. Good, bring the hands together, rub the hands. Get them a little bit warm, and then place just over the chest, kind of where the shoulder and the chest meet, and just making nice kind of circle movements. And you can let that circle kind of spread over the shoulder. So as you're doing it, see if you can kind of get the whole body kind of wiggling on it, as opposed to being stiff and just trying to do that, because that's quite tense. So we want to try and use the movement or the wiggle of the body to help you, make these circles. Good. And then you just brush it down the arm. And then the other side when you're ready. So at least 9, probably 18 circles. And then just down through the arms now. From here, warm the hands a little bit again, and then just washing the face. So if you just start at the base, go up over the head, around to the back of the neck. Just do it 6 to 9 times, just very gentle. Shake the hands. Good. From here, so again, if the hands are still warm, then you may not need to do this, but it's really nice just to keep the hands warm whenever you need to. And then we go to the lower back. So I'll just turn around to show you what I'm doing. So just bring the hands here, and with your fingers, you just sort of run, it's kind of like a massage on either side of the spine, and go all the way to the tailbone and just massage that a bit, and then sort of go up as far as comfortable. And then after that, place the hands on and just making like 6 to 9 circles with your hands. Put a little bit of energy, a little bit of heat in there. Good. And then release. And then from here, you actually just bring one leg up closer to you. So if you're on the edge of the bed, you can easily do this. And then we're actually rubbing the bottoms of the feet. So let's go back a little bit so you can see me. So the foot's facing up, and I'm just doing sort of like gentle circles with my palm over the base of the feet. Now, you can actually stay here for a long time, at least 60 circles. And again, the main focus being that we're just bringing the chi down into the feet. And this is also the kidney, nourishing the kidneys, which is water element, which helps calm the mind and everything like that. So this can take a while, and I probably won't do all 60. It's at least 60. If you want to do more, you can do more. And in some cases, some people, you may even feel like lying down and going to sleep, or you may even start nodding off when you start rubbing the feet like this. Good. So I'll do at least 60 on that side, and then just go to the other side, other hand, other foot. A gentle sort of movement. And again, if you can use the whole body to kind of wiggle you through it rather than getting too stiff. Good. So again, you do at least 60 rotations on this, or 60 circles, and then that's basically it. Then once you've worked the feet, lie yourself down and have a peaceful sleep. So that's the basic routine. Just a quick summary: the shoulders, circle the shoulders, wash the face, rub the kidneys, and circles on the feet. So have a beautiful day, have a beautiful sleep, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.